How to fix CapCut templates not working and no network error. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to resolve common CapCut issues such as network problems and missing templates. So now let's get started. So if CapCut is not available in your country, you'll need a VPN. So I recommend installing a reliable VPN that offers good speed. Go to Play Store, click on the search bar, and then type in VPN. You'll come across different and numerous VPNs. And then change the server location to the UK or New York City or any nearby location that provides a strong connection. And after connecting to the VPN, you can then open the CapCut application on your mobile device. Make sure to clear it from your recent apps to refresh it. Now to access the CapCut templates, go to Settings, then click on Clear Cache. The app should be refreshed automatically, and if it does not, this could mean that the VPN is not properly connected to the CapCut server. If you see a no internet message, it could be due to a poor internet connection or slow VPN speeds. So to fix this, clear the app from your recent apps and then reopen it. Wait for a few seconds or for it to load and then click on the refresh button. After a short wait, you should now be able to access the features you want. And if you encounter any restrictions while using filters, stickers, or other features, try clearing the app again. If the network issues persist, consider changing your VPN location to one where CapCut is available for better performance. Also, try uninstalling the application and then reinstall it using the Play Store. And that's all. With these steps, you should no longer experience annoying pop ups or interruptions while using the app. So, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.